J'ai tant rêvé pour ne pas gagner. J'ai tant pleuré pour t'ignorer. J'ai vu l'amour dans ce détour. Je ne l'ai pas pris.
Finally, we see the light of day. I've been sleeping in my bed. Yeah, go Sam, go Sam. You belong with me, my sweet. Oh. I'm circling you. Are you uncomfortable? Boots. These boots were made for walking. What are we doing?
We're making beads. Necklace.
Okay.
I want to buy different ones. Can we leave?
No! It's really nice here.
I don't like mine.
Oh wow, this is a nice shot. Wow! Let me take a picture.
Touchy sauce. Be my one. You got me in the mood. Know what I'm trying to do. Right now. Can we get tacos?
No! I can breathe. Please don't say you love me. Even for mine?
Actually, I think I did mine 4 times.
Wow. Pretty cool. Does it look good? Yeah. Thanks. Stuff I did now is the best memory for me. Let's see it. Okay, Sam, go at it fully. We're making noodles.
This is not how you're supposed to do it. But we ran out of time.
Oh, really? Noodles.
I like to stretch. Oh man, I left one in there.
Oh my god.
I like to stretch it a little bit before you put it in so that they're not chunky. Where's the one that's cooked?
And that's how you make Chinese noodles. Smile, Jude. Come on, baby. Oh, angel. So cute. Okay, so we just watched the halftime show and what did you think about the halftime show?
Yes. Good job.
Sam stepped on Jude's tail. Look how sad he looks. Oh.
I've stepped on it before, don't worry.
No. How do I zoom?
There's like a knob.
Oh, I got it.
Have fun. Have fun.
Sam's third meal today. You cheap.
Hey guys, I hate driving. So we don't usually go outside, but I thought I would bring out this camcorder on a. It's so bright. On a little business trip.
Oh, it's really low. It's like interesting. Wait, how do you?
You see this one? Yeah. On camera.
I can't tell
It's
you're
being weird. Cat.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm filming.
I'm on a 1 week weed break.
I'm on a 1 week weed break too.
All today, ladies.
Yeah, Matthew's balling out.
And look what you got. This isn't even mine. I have one shirt in here, baby.
What did you buy from the first one?
I bought a backwards shirt.
Oh.
And
Dude, you guys are mad I got such cool shoes. Look at this one, dude. It's so funny.
show it off, Matthew.
Can you take a pic of me with this? I was thinking literally.
Yeah.
He's lit really weird.
That's literally how my dad would smile.
This is fucking sick. Right here on the right.
Look how long he looks. Oh, so sweet. Cutting kimchi in the kitchen.
Because I'm making them now.
Sam, what are you doing with that jacket? I'm measuring it. Oh, and you step on it? I'll wear that. Wow. It's like a weird shrine. Jude, clean it.
Jude, stop.
Ew, Jude.
Well, the water's clean.
Yeah.
Jude! You get that on film?
Yeah.
Send that to America's Funniest Home Videos. This is what the chorus will go like if I ever make it a song. Sorry. I might never know. Let me do that again. Can you hit record again?
Something every day.
He's a man of many hats. Sometimes he's a sleepy guy. Sometimes he's a sweet guy. Sometimes he's an angry guy.
Sometimes he's kissy guy.
Sometimes he's cute guy like now.
Yeah, look at him.
Aww.
銀銀銀河の果てのムーラン・ルージュで歌う私今夜は気取ってダンスを踊るだんだん恋するあの子 You can do 夢つなぐ気持ち今夜は決まってパルスを揺らす
So short. It's fun. Oh. What do I do? Does it smell bad? How old is he?
ミッドナイト3時の破天荒湾岸道路を走る
That could
私
be a pretty one.
今夜は気取ってタイムをつなぐ淡々短気なあの子散々恋した後の祭り今夜は暇っ
What
て
a cult movie tastes
チャイムを鳴らす二人を見下ろす摩天
He
楼
goes to a
ショータイムの終わりを告げる
Yeah. God, appreciate.
舞台を彩るアテンション
About
Look
at this, Ricky.
Looks nice.
You can show.
I hear that.
Yeah, have fun with it.
Yeah, it's like compared to like total good population.
I guess I was a little mad. That your
valuable footage one day. I'm gonna make it in the big time. There's fan pages of me on Instagram. You're gonna find it.
You doesn't want to sleep.
Yeah, well, fuck you, kitty.
Aww.
Kick him over.
Kick him.
Maybe if you come up more, I would make it.
Oh. Sam is wearing old man shoes. Anything exciting happening over there?
Got a paper due tomorrow. Thinking about it.
You cut it. But you're going to cleaners.
Yeah, literally. Congrats, Brad. Lone boba.
Do you ever want to walk the park though?
Yeah. Kitty.
Give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand to say goodnight. Give me a hand, give me a hand.
Today is March 19th. Just 2 days after Leprechaun Day. We're still trying to recover from the leprechauns.
Give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand.
We're at Kate Sessions Park in Pacific Beach, San Diego. And yeah, and I get working by me from Casey.
Look at this dope drink.
Yeah, look at my dope drink that Moo says tastes like pond water.
Sam Luong. Our first and last names. Wow.
Do I look like him?
Took one lap.
I got like a scratch in my nose.
I'm visiting my alma mater. Go Titans.
Try
Go Titans.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3.
Hey guys, this is where I walked to go to the lab that I worked at, where I dissected fruit flies, and I looked at them through a microscope. This is my job.
Yeah. Sam always gets the biggest stick. You guys are so annoying. You guys, I don't want one. You guys can have the sticks.
Can I get pictures, big changes?
There's the college radio station that we all tried to apply to,
I
and we
did
got
it.
rejected. Me and Sam did. Matthew had his own show. It was really good. Okay, if you guys could write something, what would it be? Okay. Here we are. And then there's Big Chungus over here. Very brutalist. Look at it. Just all concrete. Oh wow. A cave of sticks.
No. This guy's going to top 10 law school. Is this the imposter from Among Us? Yes, this is the imposter. We need to see a little bud, dude.
Oh no, he's thinking of escaping. Dude, last time he was screaming.
No, Bubby J.
Look at him.
Dude, stop. Dude, stop.
First time in the water with Sam.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, Sam, tell them what we're doing today. We're going jet skiing.
Hi guys. This is so random. Yeah. Okay. I'm driving right now. Look how epic she looks.
Really? Back on campus, turn around, say hi. We're taking grad photos.
When no one films me.
What's the Moby Dick? What's that?
So this is our house. This is Sam's side. An overview. This is my side. This is my wall. That's Sam's wall. And that's all you need to see.
Let's see it. Where's the
We're at a secret field that we can't. Okay, hi TikTok. I just bought Purple Mountain Majesty.
Wow, it really is purple.
It still counts.
Okay, walk me through it. Like, you don't have to teach me, but just like. Realistic college room tour.
Moving vlog.
No, this is how we live. This is Sam's bedroom, and this is my bedroom.
Oh my god. Look, man, look.
This is our kitchen,
Don't look at my feet.
and then that's where
And
we.
this is our bong.
Yeah, this is our giant bong.
You know?
Yeah, like we like to drink a lot of water.
And alcohol.
Yeah.
Hours.
And cookies.
Realistic.
Over here we have an ice tray.
Oh, what should we? Oh my god, let's eat this.
Yeah, I hope they're not stale. We have one bowl that we all use. Over here's the living room. Yeah, this is our couch right here. We just take turns sitting on it. And then we put our beds here in case we don't want to stay on the couch. And into our room. Hell yeah. This is my bed right next to Jude's bed. And then there's Sam's bed. We have like a little nightstand all the way over there. See? He's ready to go to bed. This is my charging station.
Ew! Ew!
This is where we watch TV. Like we just open the closet.
Yeah, we have to. You have to be in the closet to watch.
Yeah. This is our hat wall. So yeah, that completes our whole college apartment tour. Thanks for watching. Bye!